Hey y'all, today we're going to be talking about face brushes. These are my favorite face brushes in my brush line, and it comes in a 20-piece set, but these right here are all the ones that you can use on your face. So I'm just going to go one by one just to show you what each one of these brushes do. For these two right here, you can use both of these for your foundation brush. One is a flat top kabuki brush. And this one is a different brush. I have never seen anyone else with a brush like this where it's smooth here and it's hard to show it on camera, but there's like a dip there on both sides. So you can actually use both of these for your foundation brush. And this one right here is very special because you can actually cut your crease with this one because of that straight line there. So as you can see there in the video, you can use this to cut your crease whenever you're putting on your contour. And then next we have this particular brush, which is another one of my favorite brushes. You can use this one to apply your highlight under your eye, down the bridge of your nose, on your forehead, on top of your lip, on your cupid's bow, on your chin, and you can just use this for that. This one can also be used, if you would like, to put on your translucent powder. So you can do a lot of different things with this brush. Actually, you can use it with however you want to. And then we have this one. It is a slant. It's kind of like a flat top kabuki, but it has a slant to it. You can use this one to put on your contour cream or powder. So you see me using this a lot with my cream contour because that's just what I prefer, to start out with a cream first and then set it with a powder. And then this one, both of these actually are fluffy brushes. This one's a lot more fluffier than this one. This one's a lot more dense. So with these, you can use either one of these to apply your highlight as well under your eye. You can use this one to apply your contour cream powder. Or you can use this one, either one of these, to apply your powders, where it be blush, contour, or whatever creams you're using. You can use both of these to apply that. But since this one's so much more fluffier, I would just suggest you to use this one to apply any powders that you're going to be using. This one, I would just call this one my blush brush, but you can also use this to apply your bronzer or any type of contour powder that you have. That's for that brush. This one has a slant to it, so I usually would use this to put on my contour powder, or you can actually go down like the sides of your nose to blend out your contour powder there. But this is a really good contour brush since it has that slant to it. And then this one is a bigger, fluffier brush. So this one is the powder brush. So I just use this one to set my face with either Max Mineralized Skin Finish with this, or you can use whatever setting powder that you set your face with. Really soft. All of the brushes are just super duper soft. All of the brushes are just very soft to the skin, and they do not shed at all. So yes, this is the powder brush. I like to use this one as my highlight brush, so you can go on your top of your cheeks with this one down the bridge of your nose. You can actually go on your eyebrow with this one to just kind of highlight there and like your eyebrow bone. This one just applies highlight so well, and you can get it precisely where you need your highlight to be. And so yeah, that is the brushes, and let's just gather them up all here. Okay, and here are all the brushes here, and I just really wish you could feel how soft they all are. These brushes are so soft to the touch. And yes, please check them out. If you are a makeup artist or if you just love brushes, check them out. You can find them on my website at www.upscalefaces.com. And I just thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day.